Our company's mission really is to bring back pudding, but real pudding. The way old-fashioned pudding used to be made with all natural ingredients. Our mixes are slow cooked on a stovetop, like your great aunt maybe made years ago. Our product is dry mix pudding mixes. Again, they're all natural, they're gluten-free. You can make them with alternate milks for the lactose intolerant. You could also eliminate the egg yolk. We say to cook it with an egg yolk also, and they become vegan. So they're very diverse, and what's nice is that our product allows the consumer to have more control over what they're eating and how they're making it. Right now our target market, for the most part, is women, professionals or retired, anywhere from 40 to I would say 65, families. But we're also getting some millennials in there too, who are enjoying cooking. And we're coming out with ready-made puddings in the next several months. So that should cover that market as well. We've been in business about 1.5 years. We're slowly expanding up the coast and into the Midwest. We have a lot of interest from distributors that we're meeting with, and we'll see what happens. And we also sell online too. There's been so many surprises. Everything takes longer than you think it will, and I think that's true of life, though. But we've had an amazing response. I think truly that has actually really surprised me. The response that we've gotten, the people just they're floored by it, because I think again they're not used to trying real pudding. They're used to what's been out there on the market for a number of generations. So this is really something new for people who've never experienced what it's like to eat real pudding. Next level, we're looking at venture capital funding. We've already finished our rounds of friends and family funding, and we're moving to the next stage. So quickly. I think we're looking for broad distribution, and that really would be, I think, the most helpful at this point. Someone who has been in the trenches and who understands the food business and industry, and how diverse, again, this product is. It's also wonderful for restaurants and food service industry in bulk. So there's a lot of different avenues we can take this down, and we have a lot of opportunities staring at us right now. Because we're wonderful. Because we really are a great product, and we're a firm team of people. We all bring something to the table, between international finance executives and food industry executives who are on our board as well. And I've had my own business for 25 years now. So there's a lot that we all as a team bring into this. So that's why. And the product is fabulous. It really is set apart from all the rest out there.